And welcome back. We'll check in with one of BronxNet's creators, Rebuild New York artist, to highlight the work that she is doing with immersive art and technology. It's nice. We had her on before. We'll speak about the class that she is teaching too, and so much more. So please welcome to the show, Trish Gianakis. Trish, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you for
having me. I like what you're wearing now. You had something a little different before.
Right.
And now that's like a new technology or something new?
So this is the Meta Quest Pro. So when I put it on, I'm immersed in virtual reality.
Yeah. And so what do you see when you look at that now?
Well, when I put the headset on, it is basically I go into my own world, and I'm in a living room with waterfalls and a fireplace. If you'd like to check it out.
Yeah, let me check it out. Should I take my glasses off?
No, leave them on. Here, let's just make that bigger.
Yeah.
But yeah, you need your glasses on.
I have a big head, you're trying to say? I have a big
No.
head? Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Hey. Wow.
So that's my living room.
This is the immersive technology? This is what you call that?
Yes, you're in the MetaQuest VR. And
oh, look at my hands.
Yes.
My God.
And this technology, you can use your hands for the controllers. You don't need to have... Right. So you could pick different applications. And you don't need the controllers. I have the controllers as well.
Oh my God, this is great.
Isn't that great? It's beautiful, fully distributed weight. Apple kind of built their new headset based on this headset, but I still am dedicated to Meta's Quest Pro.
That's a little bit better. Hey, you've been doing this for some time now. Give us a rundown of it and what's it all about, and you're teaching it also.
Yes, so I've been doing virtual reality for a very long time, since 1999. So virtual reality isn't the equipment. It's virtual reality is a computer-generated space that you interact with. So that could be an installation that you go through that recognizes you with computer sensors and changing the environment. So it's not necessarily putting on the headset. It could be on the computer in like Spatial or Decentraland. What you've heard about those social media platforms where people go.
I can pull it up right here, right?
You could. You could. Spatial could be pulled up right there.
All right.
So.
No, and you're giving classes starts on the 17th?
Yes, I'm going to be teaching creating art in VR.
Wow.
On July 17th, it's going to be a 10 a.m. class. Some of the different technologies we'll go through is like, what's the difference between a headset that you put your phone in versus a headset that you wear that has the full-on computer interactions. There's the Google Cardbox headset we'll talk about, where you put your phone in. So that's more of a passive experience. I also showed the Zap Quest headset. That one you can get hand dongles to control it. But what's great about these other headsets is you can go and watch a roller coaster ride. So you're getting that virtual reality experience.
You feel the same thing in your stomach?
You do a little bit, with the roller coaster ride.
There
it's
it
a
is,
lot of fun.
There.
And that is free. You can see any of these experiences on Google with their 360 channel.
Yeah.
And
what do students need when they want to get involved in your class? What do they have to come with?
It would be good to come with your own phone.
Yeah.
For an iPhone, if they have a smartphone. Here, somebody's climbing the Eiffel Tower. You could experience something someone else has done. But we are going to be supplying the headsets. So the VR headsets, where you can be fully interactive. I'm going to be teaching in Tilt Brush. We're probably going to cover a little bit of Sculptra, which is a multiplayer art platform where you can go in and shoot and destroy the other person's artwork.
Yeah. Wow.
But I will have a partner teaching with me.
But you don't really mess it up, though, because it doesn't really disappear.
Yeah. As long as I save the file.
Yeah.
You still have to save files and back them up just like on any other computer.
Exactly, yeah. So immersive, we're talking about augmented reality and creating immersive art galleries.
Correct. So we'll also have galleries I'll be showing in spatial. This right here, what we're looking at is a shark tank. That's another experience that you could go into. But I create art galleries using spatial, and I've also created art galleries using Unity, which is like the main platform that most of these game engines work under. So I'll show the students how to go into an art gallery as well, how they can make their own. So all the programs I use, this is actually spatial. This is my art gallery with all the artwork that I've created. Some of it's traditional, some of it's 3D animation, some is video. I also sculpt, so it kind of, I show a little bit of everything in my own virtual world. It's so much fun though. And all the programs are free that I offer when I teach these courses.
And what can students get out of it? Can they go off and get jobs in these areas?
They can, but that would be a certificate. This is going to be more of an intro class, so they can get their feet wet, they can get the taste of it. They can get a Google Cardboard box. Those are free, or $10. It depends on which ones we can supply the students with. And then if they have a smartphone, they can start dabbling in 360 VR.
And who's hiring?
Who's hiring? Oh my gosh.
I mean, there are companies who are looking for people like that.
There's companies all over hiring. I worked on a kiosk for a design firm, for an energy company, that they wanted something that was touchscreen in VR with 3D animation.
Oh, yeah.
Medical companies are hiring. Entertainment, as you know, here.
You can dress windows, window dressing. You ever see the art that they put in windows at stores?
Yes, or there's try-on apps now.
Yeah.
You can try on the jewelry, you can try on the sneakers, you can try on the glasses now. So
I see light bulbs going off all over the place now.
People are creating apps all over the place. And augmented reality, that's a hot spot where people are hiring. And with virtual reality as well, you can make your own market in virtual reality. Teaching the students how to create art in VR, they can eventually learn how to make NFTs even and create their own galleries where they can sell and monetize the artwork that they create.
Explain NFTs.
That is a non-fungible token. That is an artwork or asset that has been minted on the blockchain with a form of currency, cryptocurrency. So it could be Ethereum, Bitcoin now does it, Polygon, Tezos coin, Solana. Those are all coins on the blockchain. And when you mint your artwork on the blockchain, there's an inherent number that's identified with the artwork. And that's like a copyright for the artist. So prior to COVID and when NFTs came out, artists who, like myself, who did digital art, we struggled. How can we show our art? Like, people didn't take it seriously. But then once NFTs came out, it just became this wonderful platform for artists to show their work, maintain royalties if the artwork gets sold off to another person, and copyright protection.
Trish, anything new coming up that we should know about?
Well, I have a new project that I'm working on, and I have some meetings. We're working things out.
You can't tell it all.
I'm still working on Explore the Bronx with augmented reality, but we've kind of honed in on the area. Going to be working. As soon as I get it all worked out, I can announce it on the next time. Hopefully, if I'm back on your show.
Can we be the first to know?
Yes.
All
I'd
right.
love to be back to talk about it with you.
High five.
So good to be here. Thank you so much.
Oh, wait, we're not going yet. So, what do you bring this to class?
I do. Yes.
Because I remember the first ones, they wore that box thing that you put on your face. I think it was a few years back.
And
somebody came in with a box.
That was the Google Cardboard box.
That was the Google
that
Cardboard.
You put your phone in. But now with this, I actually can set up my own workstation, taking my computer using the program called Immersed, which is free. And I could, if someone has ADHD or they really need to concentrate, it's great because this headset brings your desktop right in front of you and just takes away all the noise and distractions, and you can really focus on what you're doing. There right now is a clip of my desktop. I'm in a different world working with 3 screens, and I'm in this secluded space where I can concentrate and get things done. I'm sitting in a room with a waterfall in the background too.
Yeah. That's deep. That's deep.
Yeah, it's a very cool program.
Yeah.
And what's great is this technology is accessible. A lot of the programs are free that I teach because I want students to be able to learn, to continue on after I show them the first steps in these classes.
So July 17th.
Yes.
People still have time to sign up.
Yes, sign up July 17th. Will Roberts will be co-teaching with me, so we'll have around 8 headsets. So we're probably going to, 2 people per headset. It's good to have a second person with you because if you bump into something that the person with you would they can say, oh, don't bump into anything. So we'll have plenty of headsets, and sign up. It's going to be a great time.
And you said you have a immersive reality, not fight, but you can destroy each other's properties.
Yes.
But it never goes away.
We can create some artwork with Sculptra. It's a multiplayer. Several people can be in the art piece at one time, and we can create sculptures. And yes, there is
like a
a
whole lot of
rocket
fun.
where we can shoot at the artwork.
You guys willing
too.
to take some of these classes?
Come on, sign up, sign up. It's going to be so much fun.
Yeah, here's the pen. Put the pen to the paper and sign up. Okay, July 17th, classes start July 17th.
Yes, 10 a.m. here at Lehman College.
Okay, social media?
It is on the BronxNet education tab on the BronxNet website.
And
that's where you sign up.
A website too, or social
I
media?
do. TrishGianakis.com is my website, and Trish Gia Art is my Instagram. So I'm on Instagram a lot.
Trish, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
you
you,
for sharing.
Thank you so much for having me again.
And come back again, okay? I'm looking forward to it.
You bet.
All right, we'll take a quick break. I've got a whole lot more coming up next.